is kind of like a part 2. We saw the F1 movie. You know what I will say? I definitely needed that water, because I ended up getting water, bro. Immediately felt like 10 times better. I still feel a little but definitely better than before. F1 movie, meh, I don't know. It was good, I guess. It was okay, the movie. I guess it really depends on how you look at it. If you're looking at it from a deep F1 fan, whatever you want to put them in a category of, and you know all the little details, it was really good. Like, all the racing parts, everything, it was really fucking sick. I actually recorded some of it on the Ray-Bans. I almost completely forgot for a fucking minute, because I did it for like the first 15 minutes, and then I put them down and I was like, alright, let me stop filming all this shit, let me enjoy the movie. I recorded some stuff, so I'm definitely gonna go back and watch it. But it really was all about racing. So I would say it was a pretty good F1 movie. As far as like when it comes to the tiny details, what the fuck. One thing that did shock me, I'm shocked that they didn't have him like win him. Like, y'all know who the fuck I'm talking about. I'm surprised that they didn't have Sonny Hayes win the championship. I said originally I was gonna spoil it. I don't think I'm gonna spoil it. I don't know. I low-key kind of thought that more crazy shit would have happened. That would have been like, oh my god, this happened, and then this. But it really wasn't like that. It was more so like, oh my god, dude, the scene where he XYZ, and the scene where he did that. Like, it's just little shit like that. And it's only a couple scenes, or like, there was a couple of one-liners. Like, Fred, who was the team principal or owner of Ferrari. I don't know which one. I always get them confused. And they were asking him in the conference. They were like, how do you feel about APX or something? And I don't know, he said something along the lines of like, they don't exist to me. And that made me laugh, because it's kind of true. Like, they don't exist. Like, they're not a real fucking team with the racing or with real fucking teams. That was something else that I also kind of, I don't know, it just raised an eyebrow for me. I want to use 2 hands, but I gotta focus on this. Oh my god, ADHD kicking in. That dude's plate says, hey, yo, what are you doing? I'm driving here, what are you doing? The one part when they were in Abu Dhabi and they had Charles Leclerc spraying champagne and that kind of shit, it's just funny. Oh my god, I was about to run this red light, man. It was funny seeing that, because for starters, like, some of those drivers weren't on the fucking podium. I don't know. If you see it, it'll make sense. Like, if you know, you know. It's like one of those things. But it's a pretty good movie, honestly. I would say movie theater wise, I guess it really depends on how you see it. Definitely want to see it again, because one, I missed the beginning. I don't know how much I missed. That was actually something else too. I'm gonna find some way to incorporate clips that happen, because I just suck at timelining. Dude, when I walked in, bro, I think I barely missed the beginning. Like, I don't know how deep into it I was. I think now that I've seen it, it's like it's an at-home movie, unless you do it right, kind of, you know what I mean? Next time I go, I'm definitely gonna do the Regal 4D shit, where the seats move and everything. Face thing was cool, but oh my god, it's my best friend. Whatever, nobody wants to hear about the F1 movie. If I have any other clips, I'll just insert them all here. You know, fucking hangover style, you know?
I-285.
I'm gonna be on this road for 4 miles. No. God damn it. I'm just gonna clip all the traffic shit. I'm just gonna clip all the stupid shit that doesn't need to be filmed. Starting now. Oh my god! This whole fucking time! Wow! Oh my god, they gotta have the 360. Alright, well, if you wonder why the first part of this video was filmed like that, now you fucking know why. That's fucking funny, dude. Why do I hear sirens? I just wanted to get out of the way. I mean, I know he had plenty of space to get out of my way, but I saw him coming and I just moved because that's what you were supposed to do. But I guess nobody else did that. Which I guess, yeah, if he can go around, he can go around, I guess. I don't know. Also, I mean, I was just fast enough to get out of the way, so I did. Smart. I mean, good way to get out of running a red light, I guess. Oh, we gotta turn left. Hey man, is that the second ambulance that I've seen? I think it is. I mean, I know people get sent to the ambulance all the time, or to the hospital all the time, but damn, a 2-on-1 trip could be a sign. A sign that could be me if I don't keep it smooth. If only you could see the look on my face, but you can't. Even though you have seen it before. What? Alright, bro. I told you it was gonna be random ass side comments. Ah, the green light got me. Fuck, I'm hot. Oh, I can breathe. Alright, now it's gonna turn green. Oh my god, look at me in my Trackhawk, man. What? Thank you. I'll just turn left, you bitch. Me and a Trackhawk, man. I got my mom van, my dad van. I'll fucking boost it out and shit, you know? Supercharger. I forgot how to make the sound. It's such a fucking funny, stupid ass sound. Why do I have my blinker on, you fucking idiot, bro? What I do know is that this video was done. Probably been like 30 something minutes. Definitely wasn't as long as the first one. But y'all know the drill. Ride hard. Fly safe. Always double check your camera gear before you take off so you don't leave your lens cap on like a fucking idiot. And hit your limits but never go past them. And be safe out there, boys. Be safe out there. I don't want to see nobody crashing. Adios. News report. Your news report is done. Get out of here. Scram.
And then we have our lovely assistant. Look at this. He's got his zip ties and he's got his little tool.
How's this angle looking?